another video. Today, well, you probably already guessed it from the title of my video, and that this isn't a time lapse, so meet my new cat, Draco. Draco, say hi. Say hi, Draco. See? It's the camera. Do you know what the camera is? I think you only care about my hair. Okay. So, sorry that this video is so short, but this is the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment what you want me to do in your next video. Not yours. Stop using my bed as a scratching post. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.